We are at the Armada stand at Machine Tools Africa exhibition. We're going to talk to the general manager just to get some more insights as to what they're bringing to the exhibition.
My name's Rick Ferreira and I'm the General Manager of Armada UK, Johannesburg branch. We decided to go out quite big with our exhibition, so we've done just our latest range of high technology equipment. We haven't had a machine tool exhibition since around 2017, and this being the case, we thought now's a great time to be back, so we pulled out all the bells and whistles. Directly behind me we have our new range of electric press brakes, which we call the EGB.
My name is Willem and I'm the sales manager at Phonics South Africa.
Cool. You're taking me through a little bit about what you guys are exhibiting at Machine Tools Africa.
Okay, so basically most of our products we're exhibiting here, it's the robotics, focusing a lot on educational robots, the collaborative robots, which is quite new technology. It's quite big in the market at the moment.
What's your experience been at MTA this year? Obviously, it's been a couple of years since the event.
At the moment, so far, we've got a lot of feed coming in, which is good. A lot of the people coming in so far that we can see is that we're getting a lot of quality leads. We do have a lot of new technology, and so a lot of people who haven't been necessarily looking would now see the newer technology that's available.
I'm here with Graham Cooper from WD Hearn. So if you can just take us through a little bit about what machines you're exhibiting this year at MTA.
Okay, so I think we might have gone a little bit over the top this year, but we've decided that this was the first major machine tool event in 7 years, so I think it was time that we went all out. So we've gone from the high-end machines, the Japanese precision 5-axis machines from Kinemura, Nakamura Tome, and then we've got our Libo machines that we've been selling since 1987. The major obvious thing is the amount of laser cutting that we are seeing in the market at the moment, and the amount of low-cost laser cutting machines that are entering the market. So I think at the show there's 27 laser cutters here,
Sure.
and that was a bit unexpected. The metal cutting, traditional milling and turning sort of is a little bit more limited than it has been in the past.
We're here with Ryan Scott, head of Willem Group Holdings. So Ryan, how have the last couple of days at Machine Tools Africa been for you?
Very busy. It's, the turnout of the visitors has been extremely good. It kept us on our feet, and we're very, very happy with the turnout of the show so far.
Obviously, the last couple of years there hasn't been an exhibition. What's different this year in terms of the industry? What are you seeing more of that you haven't before?
I think the break in the exhibitions has actually made people very hungry to come and see what's new on the market. There's a lot of lasers here. We've noticed there's a much bigger sort of exposure of lasers, but the technology has also been upgraded over 7 years. So yeah, I think there's a lot for people to come and take a look at. The quality of the visitors has been really good. There's really interested buyers. So yeah, I think we're all walking away with a massive sort of benefit of being here. I think it's been good.